Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Grindr. Keep watching the video till the end. To block someone on Grindr, firstly go ahead and launch open your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Now search for a person you want to block on Grindr on Explore box at the top of the screen. Now click on the person's block to open their profile. On the next page, click on the circle icon and from the drop down, tap on block user option. Confirm blocking of the user by tapping on yes. This is how you can block someone on Grindr application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.